Did you know that Arborvitae, or Western Red Cedar, has been referred to as the tree of life? It's a tree majestic in size, and it has been used by ancient civilizations for spiritual connection during ceremonies. And I would like to share with you simple tips that you can use this essential oil in your household. My name is Eva Shevtsova, and I'm a holistic health and business mentor. And I help busy women to create healthy habits in your daily life with natural solutions. This essential oil has powerful effect on our emotions, respiratory system, and our skin. So what you can do for your emotions is take 2 drops of Arborvitae, 2 to 3 drops of your favorite citrus essential oil, add it into diffuser and diffuse throughout the day. For your skin, immunity, and respiratory system, you can take unscented body lotion, add 2 drops into the lotion and apply it on your body. And let's not forget about our household. If you have wooden furniture, you can create your own DIY wood polish. It's half and half olive oil and vinegar and 5 to 10 drops of essential oil Arborvitae. If you enjoyed my tips and you would like to learn more about essential oils and natural solutions, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can receive notifications about my new videos.